Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mahesh Dongre, mechanic auto body repair instructor at Don Bosco, Chinchwad, Pune. In the first semester of auto body repair course, we have learned about minor damages like scratches, door dings, small dents, and how to repair minor damage. In this PPT, we are going to learn about major damages, body or frame damage measurements. So let's start with the introduction. What we have in this session, which we are going to discuss in details. First point is importance of vehicle measurement in major body or frame damage repair. Why it is necessary. Second point is collision diagnostic procedure. And third point is collision repair process. So let's start with the first point, importance of vehicle measurement. We know that there are two types of damages in a damaged vehicle. First is direct damage, which we can see with the visual inspection at the point of damaged area, but in indirect damage, which is far from damaged area, which we cannot determine alone with the visual inspection. So that's the reason vehicle measurement is very important in auto body repair industry. Every auto body repair technician should be proficient in the vehicle measurement. Vehicle measurement involves specialized tools like tram gauges, centering gauges, sillet bench setups, and Caroliners. When we measure a damaged vehicle and compare it with the standard dimensions of a new vehicle, the difference between measurements indicates the direction and amount of damage or body misalignment. This helps estimator to calculate the cost of damage and whether any section of the frame is repairable or replaceable. Let's move to the next slide, which deals with the collision diagnostic procedure. Before starting collision diagnostics, you should know some things about the vehicle. You should know the vehicle construction type, whether it is a body over frame construction or it is a unibody construction, because the damage sequence in both the types is different, which we are going to learn in next videos. Visually locate the point of impact and also consider the damage conditions like it is struck to the wall or telephone pole or divider, because in all these scenarios damage is also in different directions. Third point is determine whether the damage is confined to the only body, means only outer panels, and the frame is safe, or damage is extended in the frame also. Systematically inspect the parts along with the path of impact. Check for alignment gaps between doors, doors and fenders, engine hoods. Before starting damage evaluation, follow safety measures like all the fuel in the fuel tank should be drained and properly washed out. Also, oil spillage is clean, and whenever you are going to estimate a damaged vehicle, you should disconnect the batteries which prevent the electrical damage also. Let's move to the next slide, which deals with the collision repair process. Whenever any damaged vehicle, major damaged vehicle, entered into the body shop, there is a sequence of work which should be done by the auto body repair technician in its order. So first point is there is a heavily damaged vehicle. There is a heavily damaged vehicle. Then second point is analysis of damage. Whenever you are going to analyze a damaged vehicle, your analysis should be very correct. If you want to complete your work in time, if you miss some damage, then in the middle of your work you have to extend your work sequence Also you have to change your work procedure. Third point, operation plan. Before starting to repair a damaged vehicle, you have to determine all the damages, and you have to work along with the repair order to complete your work in time. Removal of trim and mechanical components. Next point is, whenever you are going to repair a major damaged vehicle, you have to remove all the trims and mechanical components from the vehicle, so you can straighten the body components or body frame. Next, body alignment. You have to check the extent of damage, and you have to align the all the misaligned parts. There are two points. First is panel replacement. If there is a very damaged panel, you have to replace the panel. If panel is repairable, then you have to repair it. Then next point is repair of mechanical components. Means if any mechanical component is damaged, you have to repair it first. Then next point is anti-rust treatment. Anti-rust treatment means whenever you are working or whenever you are doing repair work, you are applying heat also, or you are removing paints and primers. So anti-rust treatment deals with, you have to apply anti-rust paints. Next, paint process. After completing your repair work, you have to apply paints. Then next part is installation of trims and mechanical components which you removed first, and then your next point is repair completed.